A de facto corporation is a company that is recognized as a corporation even if it didn't follow all the rules to become one. This happens when the company tried to become a corporation in good faith, but made a mistake. To be considered a de facto corporation, the state must have a law about corporations, the company must have tried to follow the law, and the company must be operating like a corporation. For a company to be granted de facto corporation status, it must meet 3 requirements. The state must have a law related to incorporation. The company must have tried to follow the law in good faith. The company must be operating like a corporation and have evidence to prove it.